let's go back here. Conjunction is a joining word, such as and, but, or the word or, that connects words, phrases, or simple sentences. So now we have examples of how these conjunctions combine or help combine a compound subject, compound predicate, compound sentence, or a series. Starting with a compound subject. A compound subject has two or more simple subjects that share the same predicate. Remember, predicate is an action word. A subject is a noun. The subjects are joined by the conjunction and or the word or. I'm going to use my pen right here. Just write down that a subject is a noun. A predicate is a verb or action. And a subject is a person, place, or thing. That's what a noun is. So here is the sentence, sunshine and rain make a rainbow. Sunshine and the word rain are the subjects. They are being combined with the word and. When you come down to a compound predicate, predicate is your action word. There we go. Highlight. It has two or more simple predicates or verbs that share the same subject. They are joined by the conjunction and or. For example, raindrops bend sunlight and divide it. So right here, that's a predicate because the word bend is an action word. And divide is the other action word. And then the word and is your conjunction. A compound sentence, let me get my highlighter again. A compound sentence contains two or more simple sentences. So we're looking at two full sentences being combined with a comma and using the word and, but, or. For example, clouds appear solid. That's actually a complete sentence, but we're combining it, so we're going to add the conjunction, but they are made up of water droplets. And like right after solid, there's a comma. So these are two full sentences being combined with a conjunction. A series of three or more words used as adjectives, adverbs, or direct objects are joined with a conjunction and or, and commas separate the items that are listed in a series. That's why this one is all about series. So it says rainbows are always red, comma, orange, comma, yellow, comma, green, comma, blue, comma, indigo, comma, and there's your conjunction. I'm going to underline that. Violet. So as before, this chart is going to be very helpful for you when you're doing your independent practice. Oops, you can't see that. There we go. All right, so let's go over the guided practice. It says circle each conjunction, underline the words joined by the conjunction, and then write in the blank the parts that are being connected. So I'm going to highlight this. So on this line, you're either going to write that two sentences are being combined, two subjects are being combined. Remember, subjects are your nouns. Two predicates or your action words. Two adjectives. Adjectives are your describing. Two direct objects. Direct objects are what is being directly affected in the sentence. Two adverbs. Remember, adverbs are words that describe a verb. They usually end with ly. Sometimes they may not. Or a series of words, just like the sentence up here. So number one says, round or spherical raindrops usually fill a cloud. So we have, let me make sure, okay, we're going to circle the conjunction and underline the words joint. So let's make sure I do that right. All right, so we have round or spherical, and they are being combined with the word or. Round and spherical describe what the raindrops look like. Therefore, this sentence, let me scoot over so I can not write sideways. So this sentence describes two adjectives. All right, number 2. Water and glass bend light differently. Here's our conjunction and the words that are being compared are glass and water. Now, since they're in the beginning of the sentence and they're basically what the sentence is about, then these are two subjects. All right, number 3. 2 rainbows were reflected brightly and clearly. Here's our conjunction, and we have clearly and brightly. And they end with ly, so there's your adverbs. So this is 2 adverbs. Number 4, Megan saw a rainbow and photographed it. Here's your conjunction and. We have saw a rainbow and photographed it. And she saw, which is an action word, and she photographed, which is an action word. So those are your 2 predicates. Number 5, Megan photographed the rainbow and the clouds. Here's your conjunction and. Let me see. Rainbow and clouds. Okay. And since she photographed, the whole sentence is about Megan. What did Megan do? She photographed. What did she photograph? Rainbows and clouds. And because the rainbows and clouds are directly affected by what she photographed, these are 2 direct objects. All right, number 6. Rainbows are often seen in the summer. Ooh, there's a comma and the word but. They are rarely seen in the winter. Remember when we see the comma and the word and, but, or, that's a compound sentence. So that's one sentence. Oops, I'm supposed to circle up. There we go. And there's the other half. That's the other sentence. So, 2 sentences. All right, number 7. Our dog and cat sleep in the same basket together. There's your conjunction and we're looking at dog and cat. And since dog and cat are basically what the sentence is mainly about, then these are your 2 subjects. And finally, Joe wants a red or blue bicycle. Here's your conjunction and we're looking at blue and red. And what are red and blue? They're describing words, so these are your 2 adjectives. There you go. So I think it will be easier if you can first find the conjunction in each sentence, and then you'll be able to figure out what is it combining or joining. Remember, it's a joining word. So it joins or connects the words, phrases, or simple sentences. So this will help you when you're this part that I just did will help you with the next page. Oh boy, they got lots of it for you. All right, so same thing. Independent practice. Let me use my pen first. We're going to circle each conjunction, just like I did on the first page. Ooh, you have to add commas where they're needed, underline the words being connected. So that's what a comma looks like. Write on the blank what conjunction is being connected. It could be two sentences, two subjects, two predicates, two adjectives, two direct objects, two adverbs, or a series of words. Alright, let me look and see if there's one that I can help you with. Okay, let me do number 2. Number 1 I think is pretty easy. Number 2 says, God told Noah to build an ark, and he promised to send rain. This is actually 2 sentences. God told Noah to build an ark. That's actually a complete sentence. And he promised to send rain. That's also a complete sentence. But it's being combined with and, but there's no comma. So that's the tricky part about these sentences, is they took the commas out. So what you're going to have to do is figure out where the comma goes. So the comma goes after ark, before the conjunction, and, so we got to circle the conjunction. There you go. And then we underline the sentence, and then write on this line 2 sentences. Just like that. All right. I will tell you that number 4 has a comma. Number 6 has 2 commas. 7 has a comma. 9 has a comma. And that looks like it. Okay, I thought I would do that to help you out. There you go, so you can see that better. So, number 2, 4, 6, 7, and 9 have commas. Number 6 has 2 commas. Don't worry about the applying right. Alright, so first you're going to watch this video. Second, you're going to do your independent practice. Number 3, you're going to pull up the PDF file and check your answers and see how you did. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to get in touch with me and let me know if I can help you at all. All right?